Look at my boy come through sliding. Oh my God. Them boys outside, boy. Yes, sir. What else is? Jordan threw the paint on his boy. He did. He put that paint on there, boy. That bitch look good. With the Tiara grill. Like you said, he the first one. He the first one in Milwaukee with the Tiara grill on the Impala. Chevy Cousins. What you doing on the bike, man? You don't know how to ride no bike, nigga. This motherfucker, damn. What the fuck is this? Oh my God.
All my speaking shit coming out of there, I gotta take it back.
Oh, I got. This bitch nasty. God damn, the back wheel on that bitch.
I'm telling the motherfuckers, I got everything toy on here they want. The music I gotta put back in there right.
That's moving?
Yeah, he making it go up and down.
Oh man.
That motherfucking nasty.
Oh my God.
My nigga.
What was all that? That's custom on.
Man, my music got fucked up. I gotta get all that shit bonus back up, bro. This shit, I'm gonna take you home. You gotta let music on that. It ain't snapping, but the motherfucker sound good. I ain't gonna lie, sit still. You standing like, cause the lights on, the music we playing, but
big ass wheel.
Loose, man.
Big ass wheel, boy. He's nice.
Yeah, I'm like, come get this motherfucker too, dog.
What's for sale?
I'm like, come get this motherfucker old school tired around shit like that.
Oh my God. Chrome. This bitch nasty. What the fuck? Yeah, that's Cadillac white. You bald head outside. Got the seats on. Big Can-Am. Big Pond. He was at the prom sitting off yesterday. KG threw that new rap on that bitch, boy. Yes, sir. New rap. Yes, sir. He had to get his shit together. Remember we was on his ass when I put it on YouTube and said it was the worst rap? He took that off, went to Indiana and got it done. And this bitch looks like paint. Oh my God. Bitch look like paint. Yeah, he hard.
Other nigga had the motherfucker up in there good.
He hard.
Who
Who did this?
My nigga Bart in Indiana.
Bart in Indiana. Fly Guy Rap. And Indiana did your lift too? This is an Indiana car.
Indiana did the lift, Chicago did the rap.
Oh, Chicago?
Yeah, Bart from Illinois.
Okay.
You gotta look him up.
What you do, nigga? You been around for a long time, dog. What you do, nigga? Shit.
Hey, car show June 30th, man. Y'all.
Oh yeah, we outside June 30th, bro.
Hey, and the dubs will be for sale at the end of August for anybody that want them.
28s.
For sale right now. Go.
And these for sale right now. We got some 6s for sale. We got some 8s for sale.
1,800 right now.
Damn.
Nigga want these
1,800. He want them gone. What you do, Ballin'?
I can't complain, man.
Right now.
Right now. They can come give me 35 for these dubs right now.
The 6s and the 8s for
Right
sale.
there for 700.
Yeah, 700. 700.
Everything for sale, man.
703 your best fit.
It's beginning of the summer. Everything for sale already. Cuz, what you do? What you do, Baller? See what you on. Twin. What you do, nigga?
Pearl on it.
Uh-huh. It's easy for them to just spray a pearl over your shit. Hell yeah, I'll put some white in these rounds. We promote that bitch up so nasty. Yeah, man, we outside though. Fucking around. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers around the world. Hungry ass nigga.
I'm in the bed.
My nigga Joe snap, dog.
Happy nasty. Bro, out here outside, boy. This bitch so nasty. Huh? Yeah, he hard though. Y'all ain't fucking around. I don't know which one paint, which one rap. That's a good thing.
That's rap. That's rap.
That's a good thing.
It's paint.
I know it's the opposite. You said that. Yeah. Oh God, I want a bite. That's what's up. I want a bite. What you do, baller? Shit. My boy Frank outside. You gonna be outside every day now. You got a bike, it's over. You said fill up off $6?
Yes, sir.
Wow, bro. You going crazy. Hell no, my boy Zebra pulled up on a bike, man. I thought it was a grown man on that damn bike. He took his helmet off. I got geek. Look at my young nigga. Think he's doing something. I like your little mint green.
Oh, man.
That shit slick. Look at you. No Diddy. I like that.
Bring it out.
Not too early, dog. Where you been at? You had to heal up. Heart surgery? Damn, man. Here I come in. God damn, man.
What this is, my nigga?
It's good. You still outside.
Man, I had to get up, my nigga.
Damn.
So
You took the wheels off the car.
I sat down for this summer, my nigga.
You had to sit down.
But nigga, I had to heal. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? So
When was this?
shit, this was about 2 months, going on 3 months.
Oh, okay.
About 2 months back.
Yeah, 'cause I ain't seen you in damn near years.
So I sold all my shit. My car's under construction. In the winter, I'm gonna flip this motherfucker. It's gonna be raw. I'm gonna put some sprees on this bitch. I'm gonna come back out, nigga, like I never left.
Yes, sir. It's good you still out here,
You
though,
know that.
motherfucker.
Love, nigga.
Oh, God, love, boy. Oh, what though? You do these? I ain't seen you in a minute. Oh, what though? Monte. Monte. They do, boy. Look at old school right here. Look at old school. Come through clean. That motherfucker look good. Look at my boy come through sliding. Oh my God. That bitch hard. How y'all doing? That motherfucker so hard. Check him out though. Look at this. Oh my God. It mowed.
This motherfucker look good, though. It definitely look good.
You got some how you riding choice in here.
Hell yeah, he got the PT joy too. He went to Pito show last year. Pito gave trophies the size of me. This is my favorite juice right here, yo. I've been trying to get this up close to personal. This is my favorite one up here, y'all. This bitch hard. This motherfucker's so clean. I got time today. to 9-8. We got time today. We got time to get him today. And back deck hard. Sway with the leather. OG shit. Clean doors. 4-door at that. What you do, nigga? 4-door at that with the console. Matching steering wheel. Speakers. Oh my God. Clean. 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 I'm telling you, boy, this 4 GTR grill. With the skirt. I think that's why I like it so much, because it really looks like it squats hard. You know what I mean? What y'all think about this bad boy, man? I know my OG's loving this, man. I know my OG's going crazy right now watching this. Hard. Another one for you. Another one. Apollo Custom. Out here fucking around. My boys, man. This nigga, who you think he is, man? Damn, it's getting windy in the motherfucker. A lot of shit just changed. Worried about Monte. Monte wet the fuck out this truck. Yeah, he wet. He hard. Big fin truck. 26-inch Milanos. I like that Jeep. I fuck with that. Something sliding through. Not too much, but he painted and mounted. That's definitely a custom paint job. Yeah, they out here fucking around, going crazy. 26-inch Milano. That grill hit hard with them fins. You change the grill on the car, no matter what kind of car it is, like what I was just saying with that Impala over there. When you change the grill, you put that mesh in there, shit just hit different. God. Stay outside. Big box. Just took over Culver's, man. Just took over Culver's for the one time. Man, you bullshitting, man. You bullshit. You can't put cars together and then hide.
No, look, I ain't riding because my highs and blue.
Oh, you did something?
No,
Oh, your music?
Yeah, so
Man, cut that shit off. Listen to the vibes, nigga. Make your own beat. Like I do sometimes.
For the rain, so I'm like, damn, I ain't want to go grab it and get the pissing.
Man, as soon as you come out, it start raining. I want those definitely for the rain. All right, bro. It's finna rain, man. You don't want your shit fuck it up. You know your shit can't get wet.
No, I can't get wet. Shit might come off.
I'm talking shit. This nigga go egg the shit on. He fucking irritating, dog. What the fuck? Alright, bro. Yeah, again, man. Happy Mother's Day. We out here on Blaze. And guess what? I just dropped another video around this motherfucker, man. Yes, sir. We staying motivated. We staying motivated. May 24th, I'll be out there in Indiana for the what is that? May 24th, the car club out there in Indiana. They got a seasoning opener. I'll be there. The next day, the 25th, we gonna be on 35th at Square Business on 35th and Cap. Bro, your mode. We on 35th and Cap on the 25th in the daytime, and then when I leave there, oh my God, bro, I'm going crazy. Then when I leave there, I'm going to Chicago to Bag Talk, same day on the 25th. Yes, sir. Then the next day, the 26th, we shut down Sherman Park. And Mac G birthday. Yeah, sir. Oh, I think that's how you ride, nigga. Hey, you snap with this. It's a nice combination. You got the red with the green trimming. Oh, yeah, he ain't fucking around. Bro, you see his feet? He ain't fucking around. OG! Yes, sir.
I don't know how to ride, man. You gotta come out this top, bro.
This my boy got fold on the screenshot. 40 stagger. Yes, sir. Stagger. Oh, what in the back? Custom seats. His seats look like motherfucking gamer chairs, boy. He got a shop out there in West Bend. You on Instagram?
Yeah, Kurt Custom.
Kurt Custom? We gonna pop up there in this shop, y'all, in West Bend. Sometime this week. Bro, you got bits on the motherfucking screenshot. Bro, you stop, bro. That's different as fuck, bro. What the fuck? What you do, Wally? That motherfucker right. Tomorrow. Windy as hell. And I got my baby. Okay, that's the Impala that was at Mr. Stereo 2 yesterday. Yes, sir. That's him. I'm over here shaking hands and shit. He's skating through, boy.